Well, I decided to renovate the kitchen probably when we first moved here. We waited a while to make sure that we could get exactly what we wanted, and that's how we came upon One Stop. We were driving through Waldorf, Maryland, and we saw One Stop right beside the Burlingtons. And we decided to just walk in and just, look around and see if we liked anything since we were looking. And when I found that I liked some things, I decided to give One Stop a call. I met with Tracy initially. When I walked in, she was so pleasant and so nice. I sat with her, I talked with her. She introduced herself and told me all about the company, and she showed me quite a few samples within the store, within the showroom, that I was really happy with. The process was long, something that I wasn't used to. However, it was very good. I had Ibu also, who was the manager, the contract manager that worked with Tracy. And every step of the way, the guys, they were here, answering every phone call, taking every message, making sure I was okay, making sure I was in on every decision, and it was very comforting. Yes, so, oh my kitchen was very old, very dirty, very old, and it seemed to be very small. However, once the process started with this new renovation, wow, it's amazing. The flooring, the patterns, everything about it is so amazing. Oh wow, the design is funny because my husband and I, we came up with the design together. At first we couldn't come together, so we decided to collaborate. And it came out with these blue cabinets. It's something that I picked, and the gray cabinets is what he picked and what he chose. And we came together on everything else, just combining both of our styles together. Absolutely. The kitchen is the main spot for us. We do a lot of cooking. My husband is the main chef for the house, so we do a lot of cooking. We spend time together, have our family meetings in the kitchen. We do everything in the kitchen. Absolutely. I've already recommended One Stop to a few of my church members. And I definitely would recommend them over to my friends and family, and just anybody who asks me about it. I'm telling everybody about One Stop. It's so amazing. It's so good.